Today I am going to review Prime AI. Are you business owner, freelancer, or social media marketer or content creator? This is a game changer tool for you so that you can create any of the content and your content creation journey made easy with the help of Prime AI. Prime AI is an app which offer the multiple AI tool in one single platform. You can create and you can use and create content uh, with the help of Prime AI. So you can there is seven AI tool you can use in the Prime AI, such as 11 Lab, Grok, Midjourney, eBay, Figma, as Amazon SES and Loom, which help you in your content creation journey or in your business or for handling your client or anything of the business you can use. They are not off. They are offering only one time fees. There is no required monthly fees. So this is a game changer, maybe a game changer for you. So what Prime AI offer you so that you can use this AI tool? Actually, the world most powerful AI demand tools all inside one simple game-changing dashboard. Launch your own AI-powered content creation agency and charge client any without amount you want. No tech skill needed. 11 Lab, Grok AI, Midjourney, eBay, Figma, Loom, Amazon SES, and more. Plenty of tool you can use within this AI tool. There is a lots of tool you can use uh, you inside the uh, Prime AI. There is a three simple step. Just create account and just register yourself and create account and make a profit by creating content or selling or using this AI tool. Just let's check out the demo of this AI tool so that we can understand more and more about this AI tool. Let's watch this demo, which help you to understand more and more about this tool. fantastic, right? You can use this tool easily basis as shown in the demo. So you can use easily basis. Just log in the Prime AI. You can. There is a multiple AI tool you are listed there. Just use any of them, whichever you want, and you take benefit of this AI tool on cheaper basis. So if you don't have to pay monthly subscription or expensive tool, expensive their subscription. Uh, just go and buy Prime AI, and they offer you multiple 7 AI tools. This 7 AI tool, if you want to purchase, they are offering some early bird discount, $2 discount. Just use coupon code Prime02 Prime02 get instant $2 discount. There is a front end. They also offer. There is a front end price is 14.95 cents. So if you use Prime 02, then you will get $2 instant discount. And uh, they also offer 30-day money back guarantee. If you are not satisfied with your purchase, you can offer. You can claim for the refund. They will refund you as soon as they receive your request. So that's my review for this Prime AI. It's a very good, AI tool, or you can say cloud-based software, which you offer you,